Alright everyone, let's solve the sixth problem from the top interview 150 list from Leetcode. Rotate array. Given an integer nums, rotate the array to the right by k steps where k is non-negative. So as we see, we have been given an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 called nums and a value k equals 3. We have to rotate the array to the right, which means that in the first rotation 7 will come to the left side of this array and then the array will be 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, when we do it to rotate it to the right, we will have 6 in the front, and then the whole array will shift one step towards right. And then in the third step of the rotation, 5 will come in the front, and the whole array will shift to the right by 1 unit. So let's take this example and try to see what could be the possible rotations for this array. So here, this is our array, and this is our right rotations. Now, one thing to notice here is that at no rotation, we have the original array. At one rotation, we have one element from the last of the array coming to the front. At two rotations, we have two elements coming to the front, and so on. And we also observe that after rotating the array 7 times, which is also the length of the array, we get back the original array. Which means that if we try to rotate it again, we are going to get the same result we got for k equal to 1 and k equal to 8. So one property we can derive is that we should not try to rotate for values which are greater than 7 or the size of the array, because the rotations would be same. Another key property to observe here is that you see that at every k of this array, say let's say k is 0, when we are here, we see that the whole array has a specific pattern, which is the order is maintained in the array. At k equals 1, this is the index 1, the order is maintained till the end, and then one element is shifted. Similarly, for k equals 2, the order is maintained on both sides of the array. So let's look at this, that for any given k, for example k equals 3, if you reverse the arrays on the left hand side and on the right hand side, you will always get the reversed of the original array. So here, reversed original array would be 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, for any rotation of k, pick anyone. Let's take this one. So here it says k equals 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So this is where the k would be. So towards this left hand side, if you pick this array on the left of k, the reverse of this would be 7, 6, 5, 4. And then the reverse of the right half would be 3, 2, 1. And this holds true for any of the rotated variation. You can try it with any other example. I can do for one more again here. So here k is 6. So which means we are standing here. So we reverse the first half, which is 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And then we reverse the right half, which is 1. So for any rotation, if you partition the array by k and reverse the left and the right halves, you will always get the reversed original array. Now, we don't know these values of rotation. That's what we have to calculate. But from the nums, we definitely can derive the reversed original array. And then whatever rotation we want to go to, we can just split the reversed array from that point. Let's say we want to get the rotation for this one. So what we can do is we can just copy this reverse array. And at k equals 3, we split and reverse the left hand halves and the right hand halves from this point. So here this will be k equals 3, this will be 5, 6, 7, and the right half would be 1, 2, 3, 4, for which the rotation would be, the right half would be 4, 3, 2, 1, for which the rotation would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and this holds true for all values of k. So given this intuition, we can go ahead and write code for rotate array. So here the approach would be, first normalize k by doing a mod operation with the length of nums. Then get the reversed nums array, reverse the left half of at index k, reverse the right half at index k. So this is going to be the approach we are following. So here you see we are writing to perform the rotation. we also need some code to reverse the array. So before writing the rotate code, I'm going to write the code to reverse an array in place. So let's do that. Big void reverse nums from into, while from is less than 2, swap from and to, increase from and decrease to. All right, let's quickly also write our swap function in the array. So public void swap int nums int source destination. Let's take a temp variable, replace the value of source with destination, and update the destination with temp value. Now let's use these utility functions of reverse and swap and in our original approach to solve the rotate problem. So first, we are going to normalize k doing the mod operation. So k equals k mod nums.length. Then we need to reverse the full array. So we say from 0 to nums.length minus 1. After this, we have to reverse the left half and the right half from the point k. So let's reverse first the left half. So we want to reverse till k elements. So if k is 3, we want to reverse 3 elements. So starting from 0, if we want to reverse 3 elements and k is 3, we should give the final index to be k minus 1 so that it reverses 3 elements when k is 3. Similarly, we reverse the rest of the elements. That would be from k till nums of length minus 1. Now, I am happy with this solution. So let's try and run this and see if we are able to pass the test cases or not. And as you can see, we are able to pass the sample test cases for the problem. So let's go ahead and try to submit the solution. And that's how you solve the problem rotate array. In the next video, we are going to take a look at the 7th problem from the top interview 150 list from Leetcode. Thank you.